Meow there. So you want to know how to do a human flag? Well, you've come to the right place. A cat. The secret to the human flag is very simple once you understand it. So let's break it down right meow. To do a human flag, your whole body has to work together. Your top arm pulls you towards the bar. Your bottom arm pushes you away from the bar. These forces combined make it that the rest of your body wants to lift up. Unfortunately, this will not happen by itself. Not only will you need strong arms to pull and push, you also need to engage your core and legs to keep yourself horizontal. To make the move easier, you can start by tucking your legs or by holding it in a straddle position. This will reduce the lever and will make the move significantly more chill. Will it be easy? No. Can you learn it? Of course. Now go train, and one day you will be strong like Calisthenics Cat and do a cat, human flag. Thank you for watching and comment what I should explain next.